Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for a scholarship at AlQasimia University, where opportunity and tradition meet. Are you aspiring to join the prestigious AlQasimia University? A scholarship here could be your golden ticket to world-class education blended with cultural enrichment. Today, we'll walk you through the scholarship application process, ensuring you have everything you need to apply successfully. Want to submit a successful application? This is how to apply successfully for the AlQasimia University Scholarship for international students. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Let's discuss the eligibility criteria for this great scholarship. Before you start, it's crucial to understand if you meet the scholarship criteria. Firstly, the holders of a secondary school, high school, certificate, or its equivalent are required to check the below minimum average percentage to know the admission they are eligible for. 1. A minimum average of at least 70% is required for admission in the programs offered by the College of the Holy Quran, the College of Sharia and Islamic Studies, the College of Arts and Humanities, and the College of Communication. 2. A minimum average of at least 75% is required for admission to the programs offered by the College of Economics and Management. 3. Students with a religious secondary school certificate and a minimum average of 75% can only enroll in programs at the College of Holy Quran, the College of Sharia and Islamic Studies, and the College of Arts and Humanities. 4. Students holding a commercial secondary school certificate with a minimum average of 80% or higher from accredited schools can enroll in programs at the College of Economics and Management. Secondly, let's talk about the student-specific information eligibility. 1. The secondary school, high school, certificate obtained by the student must be equivalent to the secondary school certificate issued in the United Arab Emirates. 2. The student must not have been previously dismissed from AlQasimia University or any other university or higher institute for disciplinary or academic reasons. 3. When applying to the university, the date of obtaining the secondary high school, certificate, or its equivalent must not have crossed 2 years. 4. The applicant must be at least 16 years old and not more than 20 years old when applying to the university. 5. Students will not be enrolled in any courses without first submitting the required documents. 6. All submitted documents that are required for admission shall be verified to see whether or not they satisfy the admission requirements. 7. Meeting the admission requirements doesn't ensure acceptance. Admission depends on the university's policy and student capacity, influenced by resource availability. 8. Applicants shall be accepted according to the number of students specified for each college. Preference shall be given to students with higher grades, followed by students who are recent graduates, followed by students who are younger than others. 9. All admitted applicants must take the Arabic language placement test before registering for freshman-level college courses. This test assesses language skills and aids in determining whether students can directly enroll in the college program. Ensure you meet these requirements to proceed. Step 2. Required documents for the scholarship. Gather these documents as you will need them. 1. Original secondary school, high school certificate. 2. Original transcripts for grades 10, 11, and 12. 3. Required documents must be attested by the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the issuing country, and the UAE Embassy. If a UAE embassy is not available, attestation can be done by any Arab country's embassy in the student's location. 4. Translation of foreign certificates into Arabic or English from a certified translation company and their attestation from the above-mentioned authorities. 5. Provide evidence of recognition of the school or institute which issued the secondary school, high school certificate. 6. Translation of the passport into Arabic if it is in a language other than English. 7. Admission application must be completed. 8. To apply for programs at the College of Economics and Management, students need a TOEFL certificate, IBT 61, CBT 173, PBT 500 or the equivalent IELTS score 5.0 or a minimum EMS at English score of 1100. Additionally, a score of 600 or higher in MSAT Arabic and mathematics is required. All scores must be obtained within 2 years from the date of applying to the university. 9. To apply to the College of Communication, a minimum TOEFL score, IBT 45, CBT 133, PBT 450, or IELTS 4.5, or MSAT 950 is required conducted within 2 years of the application. Costs for IELTS or TOEFL tests are not covered by the university. 10. A copy of the student's passport with a validity of at least 2 years. 11. 12 recent colored photographs, 3-4, with a white background. 12. A certified police clearance/criminal status certificate issued by the applicant's country affirming good conduct must be translated into Arabic or English by a certified translation company if in another language. 13. Copy of the birth certificate or what proves that. This must be translated by a certified translation company if it is in a language other than Arabic or English. 14. A health fitness certificate from a government hospital confirming the student's good health and freedom from infectious diseases must be attested by the country's Ministry of Foreign Affairs and not be older than 3 months from the application date. Keep these documents handy as you'll need them for the application. Step 3. Fill out the application form and complete the online application with the required documents. Before you apply for the AlQasimia Scholarship, follow these instructions for the application. 1. All items marked with an asterisk must be filled in, and incomplete applications will not be considered. Those without asterisk can be left undone. They are optional. 2. For all required documents, all documents uploaded must be colored and clear. All required documents should be images, GPG, except the last 2 documents, Form 1 and Form 2, should be PDF files. 3. The admissions to the faculties of the university shall be distributed within the limits of the numbers to be accepted in each faculty according to the absorptive capacity of each program, according to the priorities of their wishes and the sequence of their rates. 4. It is advisable for the applicant to use a personal computer laptop when applying. Now, let's start the application. Firstly, copy one of these two application links and paste it into your browser. Then wait for it to load fully. The first one will load the website in the English language, while the second one will make it load in Arabic. Now that it has loaded successfully, scroll down a little to start filling out the application form and upload the necessary documents. The first thing to do is to select a program by marking this box. Then, select 3 different majors from the 8 available programs as shown here. However, the university has the right to assign the male or female student to any of the 3 options without giving reasons. Here is where you will fill out your personal information, such as full name in English as written in your passport, full name in Arabic as per passport if available or according to the legal translation, current nationality. Previous nationality. You can select same as current nationality if you only have one nationality. Passport number. Place where your passport is issued. Passport expired date. Year, month, and day. Your country's national ID number, if there's any. It is optional. Emirates Identity Number. This is for applicants from inside the UAE. Unified Number. This is also for applicants from inside the UAE. Date of birth. Year, month, and day. Country of birth. City of birth. Gender, male or female. Religion, select if you are a Muslim or a non-Muslim. Marital status, either you are a single, married, divorced, or widow. Select yes or no to these 5 questions. 1. Are you a resident in the United Arab Emirates? Currently, holding a residency visa in the United Arab Emirates. 2. Have you ever residence in the United Arab Emirates? 3. Are you an employee? 4. Do you have any special needs, physical or learning disability? 5. Did you get 2 doses of this vaccine? Then complete the personal information by uploading these 5 files. 1. A copy of valid passport for at least 2 years. 2. Recent photo, white background. 3. Birth certificate. 4. UAE residence visa, if available. 5. National identity from the front and back side, if available. Now fill in all the following fields about the family's information, which include guardian's full name, guardian's religion, is he or she a Muslim or non-Muslim, relationship with the student's guardian, father, mother, sister, or brother, the guardian's place of work, parents or guardian's phone number, guardian's email, mother's name, mother nationality, mother's religion, mother's phone number, mother's email, name of a relative, next of kin name, a contact number for the relative, relative's email. Do you have a relative inside the United Arab Emirates? We are about to be done with the form. Now, let's fill contact information, which includes current country of residence, city of residence, P.O. Box, nearest airport, your email address, and then re-enter it for verification. Additional email address, mobile phone number, WhatsApp number, home phone, Skype account. If you don't have it, create one now. Facebook account URL, Instagram account URL, Twitter account URL. Qualifications. Information about your secondary school certificate or equivalent is to be provided here. Then upload the necessary files. This includes qualifying institution type. Is it federal, private, semi-private, or other? High school systems. High school score as shown on the certificate from 0 to 100. Section. Is it scientific, literary, or other? Name of your high school. Your high school country. Mention it. Your high school city. Study language. Certificate completion date, year, month, and day. Then upload the following files. 1. High school certificate. 2. Grade 10, 11, and 12 results respectively. 3. MSAT certificate if available. 4. TOEFL or IELTS certificate or equivalent if available. You can also fill in other qualifications such as a diploma, higher diploma, and so on if you have one. However, they are optional and not compulsory. This is where you indicate the language or languages you comprehend and specify your proficiency level, ranging from strong and very good to good, moderate, or weak. Strong means you understand it almost 100% followed by very good, which is below 90% good, moderate like 60 to 50%, while weak signifies you are poor in that language. Other documents. This is the last part of the application that next to the submission button. You will have to upload all these files. But before then, this Form 1 and Form 2, you have to download them. Fill in the required information. After filling them, you will convert each of them to PDF format and upload them. Those who wish to study at AlQasimia University must prove that they followed the university's website on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn by uploading a screenshot of the following action. Then click the Follow button. The last step is to agree to all these 3 terms after reading them. Then, click the Submit button to submit your application. Then wait for the confirmation and other things from the AlQasimia University through the email you provided. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.